Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe the bull run is going to continue. But before I do get into this video, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. And if you want to cop your own To The Moon sunglasses, you could buy them at Mikey'sMoney.com. The link is going to be in the description and also in the comment section, so make sure to go check them out. So it's Monday morning, the best day of the week, and GameStop did drop about 2% in the morning. It hit a low of $24.38. Then it made a move right back up to $25. Right now we're trading at $25.26. So right now it's 10 p.m. You know, an hour and 30 minutes into trading, and usually by this time these two stocks, AMC and GME, set the tone for what's going to happen. So right now it is looking pretty green. I mean, AMC did drop below $5 at $4.97. I personally did buy 166 shares of AMC, and I'm still holding my GameStop call options. So right now a little bit in the red, but you know, you got to be patient, because when we look at the bigger picture, GameStop is just probably the most bullish stock in the freaking stock market right now. Let's be real. It's just so fun to watch these two stocks. I mean, right now we're only about an hour and 30 minutes into trading, and already 5 million shares of GameStop have been traded. On AMC, it's almost at 4 million. It's 3.69 right now. And we're just holding up at this level. There's multiple indicators on Webull that have a price prediction of over $10 long-term bullish for AMC, and GME is also looking freaking long-term bullish. On GME, there's no indicators on Webull, but I mean, long term, you zoom out, it's bullish. The chart is freaking bullish. There's no questioning it. When is the next run is the big question that everyone wants the answer to. And the truth is, no one has the answer to it. It could happen in the next 10 minutes. You know, at any second, with the pressure that's building on GameStop, in my opinion, you know, none of this is financial advice, and I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but the pressure building on GameStop right now, I do believe that it can squeeze at any second. And I believe once it does squeeze, we could have a new floor at $40. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if once we do pass $40, we have some resistance and then we go even higher. That is my prediction for GameStop stock. Because right now, I mean, insiders aren't selling GameStop stock, they're buying it. They're buying more. Roaring Kitty said he has $250,000 in GameStop. Obviously, we don't know if he still has it in GameStop. I really do doubt that he sold it. But guys, I mean, come on now. That's freaking bullish itself. Not only is the chart bullish, but you know, these rich people are buying into GameStop. Why are they buying into GameStop? I did make this post in the morning. If you guys haven't followed me on X, make sure to go follow me. My username is Mikey's_money. So in the morning, there was some weird price action going on with GameStop stock. It crashed all the way down to $24.24. Then it went right back up $1 exactly to $25.25. So pretty weird. Now that the market has already opened, we filled a gap at, you know, $24.40, and then we moved right back up to $25.25. So very interesting on what's playing out. This guy did say that the gap has been filled for GME. So we did hit this low of $24.38 today. And as you guys notice, we have an inverted hammer forming on GameStop. Now we don't know how low this is going to go. My prediction is that we could have already hit the low in the morning today, Monday morning, and it could be setting up for another bull trend up. That's why we're getting this inverted hammer candle. That is just my price prediction though. At the end of the day, we could drop to $20. Anything could freaking happen. My calls could get liquidated like that. It's just a risk. You know, everything's a risk in the stock market. Are you going to take the risk? That's your decision to make. I'm not here to make any decisions for anyone but myself. I already YOLO'd in. And you know, it's just so fun to look at these charts when your life savings is on the line. It's freaking addicting. This guy said GME 30-minute view. MACD trying to bottom out here and turn higher along with price. Back above $26 could confirm that this pullback has run its course. So, you know, a pullback was expected by a lot of people. We ran all the way from $22 to $29.99. Got a pullback to $24.38. Boom, from here, $40. Frick it. YOLO. I mean, if we just go over this meme, this guy says, "You said T plus 35 meant we would rip yesterday. I said the market makers obligated to deliver yesterday. So why didn't the price rip? Because they failed to deliver again. This is how GME gets on the threshold securities list." And then this guy says, "I want to be hype, but I don't want to be hurt again." So, you know, it's painful. I have so much wins. I have so much losses when it comes to call options. When it comes to shares, I swear I've only won. Because at the end of the day, with shares, you could hold as long as you want. I've held for months, years, down, just drowning. But, you know, instead of having the mindset of, ow, I'm drowning, what the frick, down 70%, Jesus, I really screwed up this time. Instead of having that mindset, you gotta think like, wait, why did I even put money in this in the first place? It starts with belief. At that point, you either become like a psychopath, crazy, and start putting more money in, or you accept your losses. I became crazy and I started buying more. And ultimately, that strategy, buying the dip, the motto for my channel, has worked out for me personally. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I mean, that's just the best advice I can give. Hold long term. You get screwed, buy more. That's the best advice I could give. But it's not financial advice. You guys do your own freaking research. Other stocks right now that I do have on my radar is Lucid. I mean, it dropped down to $3.50. We could see this easily spike up to $4 and beyond, guys. So honestly, if this does make a break back to $3.30, definitely would consider buying some calls, me personally, on this stock, because there's really no limit. Once we see a short squeeze on this stock, I mean, it could go way past $10, which would be an insane gain. Right now, Chewy is still trading around the same price as GME at 25.07, Chewy at 25.31. So they're looking the same, and I believe when GameStop does run, Chewy is possibly going to run at the same price as well. Another meme stock that is doing pretty good today is COS, up 4%. It already hit a high of $9.42, and this thing can be setting up for another run. We already saw a run from $8 all the way to $11. Pretty good, 30% gain right there. And I mean, all these meme stocks have been going freaking insane. 2024 has been a bullish year so far, and we still got a lot of time to go, guys. A lot of freaking time. As I'm making this video, GameStop has flipped red. So we're at this point in time where we really don't know if it's going to dip further, if this inverted hammer candle is going to go lower and lower to $22. It definitely is possible, guys. If it goes to $22, I'm going to be down over 60% on my calls. I will probably, be screwed. But if GameStop does pass $26 once again and this V starts to form, then I wouldn't be surprised if the volume starts picking up like crazy, because a lot of people are looking at GameStop. If we see it back at $26, the bulls are going to step in and they're going to start buying more. This time, I believe once we do break back up past $26, we're going to break $30 this time. AMC as well, this is the indicator I was talking about. It says megaphone bottom. AMC could freaking explode from this price. Look, it says long-term bullish, target price $10.25 all the way to $11. That's over 100% gain, guys, on shares. But I did get paid from YouTube today, and the first thing I did, I bought 100 shares of AMC, and then it dipped a little lower, so I bought another 66 shares there at $4.99. So, the lower it goes, the more I buy. That is how I play the game. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. This week is going to be an amazing week. It's good to see that, we're already 2 hours into trading and GameStop and AMC are still green on the day. So that's an extremely good thing to see. And like I said, if volume starts to pick up, once GameStop does cross $26, we could see this skyrocket past $30. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GME stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip, buying the dip.